Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Assistive Touch not working issue on your iPhones after 17.5 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they're facing an issue of Assistive Touch, that their Assistive Touch is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, if you do is make sure that the Assistive Touch is toggled on your iPhone. Sometimes simply turning Assistive Touch off and then back on can resolve any temporary glitches. To do this, you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and then tap on tap on Accessibility. Now tap on touch, now tap on assistive touch, and you have to make sure that it's on. If it still doesn't work, then you have to simply turn it off and then back on. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. To turn off your iPhone, you have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your accessibility settings. Ensure that Assistive Touch is properly figured in your accessibility settings. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then go to accessibility. Now tap on touch. Now tap on it here and make sure that feature is turned on. You can also customize Assistive Touch options from this menu. So guys, after trying all of these steps and still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.